Class 8 Mathematics. I am R.S. Prasad sir. So we are doing the revision of your half yearly examination. So let us see here. Angel Valley English School Amriti, Raipur revision for half yearly examination, and the class 8 subject is mathematics and maximum marks is 40. Let us start the revision. So first of all, fill in the blanks. You can see here, fill in the blanks. The angle formed by the mirror, minor or smaller part of the circle of any point is. There is the first is that the acute angle or obtuse angle. So our right answer is obtuse angle. So you have to write this answer, obtuse angle. Now second, the angle formed by the major or greater part of the circle of any point of is. So that is the acute angle. So you have to write this answer, acute angle, in the fill in the blanks. Now third, in a circle, the sum of the corresponding angles formed by the smaller segment and the greater segment of the circle is. Here his option is 180 degree, 270 degree and 360. But correct answer is 180 degree. So you have to write this one in this fill in the blanks. So now the fourth, the perpendicular from the center of a circle to a chord bisect the chord. So you can write here bisect the chord. This is the answer, bisect the chord. Now fifth, in a circle, the line joining the center of the midpoint of the chord answer is perpendicular to the chord. So you can write here perpendicular. This perpendicular you can fill in this blank. Let us see the next one. So next one is the sixth question. The square of 4 is, that is the 16. So you have to write answer 16 in the fill in the blank. Now the cube of 3 is, that is the 27. So you have to write in this 27. Eighth, the square of even number is always even number. So you can write here even number in the fill in the blanks. Now ninth is, the square of odd number is always odd number. So you can write here in the fill in the blanks, that is the odd number. Now the cube of odd number is always odd number. So that one is the answer, you can fill in the blank. Now write true or false. The perpendicular distance between two parallel lines is always equal. So that is the true. So you have to write this one statement as a true. Second number, all the lines drawn parallel to lines are not parallel to each other. False. So it is the statement is the false. Third number, the perpendicular drawn on different points on the same line are parallel to each other. It is true. So you have to write this one is true. Now come to the next, fourth one. When a transversal line intersects three parallel lines to produce equal intersects, then the intersecting lines would also produce equal intercept. That is the true. So you have to write this statement as true. So the ratio of intercepts on parallel lines by two intersecting lines are not equal. It is false statement. They are equal. So the line parallel to one side of a triangle divides the other side is equal ratio. It is true. So you have to write this one true. The line joining the midpoints of the two sides of a triangle is parallel to third side. It is also true. So you have to write true. Now eighth one, those numbers whose unit place have the numbers like 2, 3, 7 or 8 cannot be perfect square numbers. So that is the true also. The square of any natural number n is always the sum of initial consecutive odd numbers. That is true also. Now 10th, in a circle, area of equal length formed angle at the center which are equal. That is the true. Now come to the next one. So it is a very short answer. That is the third question. So it is the 5 marks. Now give the reason why the given number is not a perfect square. First off, do the prime factor of this. So 790. It is divided by 2. 2 3 ja 6 and 2 9 ja 18, and here is 2 5 ja 10. once again by 5, 5 7 ja 35, 5 7 ja 35, 4 5 9 ja 45. Now it is divided by 79 and that is the 1 times. So do the prime factor, it is 2 into 5 into 79. So there is no any pairs of the prime factor. So you can write, so no have any pair in prime factor. So it is not a perfect square. So that is your answer and it is the reason. Now come to the identify the 125 is a perfect cube. So first of all 125 do the prime factor. So it is the 125 divided by 5. So 5 2 are 10 and 5 5 are 25 once again by 5 and it is the 5. So 5 1 are 5. So prime factor is 5 into 5 into 5. Now cube root that is the 125. So you have to write cube root of 5 into 5 into 5. So that means इसमें 3 टर्म्स का पेयर्स लेते हैं. So we get only 5. So identify the perfect cube. So the answer is 5. So it is a perfect cube. So you can write here. So it is a perfect cube. So that is the answer. Now let us see the next question. Question number 3. Find out the square root of 441. So do the prime factor of 441. So let us see here. It is 441 now divided by 3. So 3 1 ja 3 and 3 4 ja 12 and 3 7 ja 21. Once again by 3, 3 4 ja 12 and 3 9 ja 27. Once again by 7. So it is 7 times. So 7 1 ja 7. So you can do here. It is 3 into 3 into 7 into 7. So square root of this one, it is 441. So you can write square root of it is 3 into 3 into 7 into 7. Make the pair. So we can write here only 1 3 and only 1 7. So that one is the 21. So 21 is your answer. Now simplify this following. So you can write here it is the minus 1 to the power cube and 5 to the power cube. So minus 1 it is the odd number. So it becomes minus 1 and it is 125. So that becomes minus 125. So that one is answer. You can write here minus 1 to the power 3 will be equal to minus 1 because it is odd number. This one is the odd number. If it is even, then it becomes plus. Now simplify the following numbers. So you can calculate this. It is 4 upon 5 and whole power is 4 and change the denominator and numerator each other. So we can say 4 upon 5 and whole power is 2 with minus sign. So there are both ways are the same. So you can write 4 upon 5 and whole is the 4 minus 2. So it becomes 4 upon 5 and whole power is 2. So you can write 4 into 4 and in down 5 into 5. So we get 16 upon 25 as your answer. Now express in the form of exponent. So how can? So you can see here 27. What happened? 3 9 ja 27. So 3 3 ja 9 and 3 1 ja. So 27 you can say 3 into 3 into 3. Now what happened to 125? So 125 divided by 5, 5 2 ja 10, 5 5 ja 25, once again 5, So 5 5 that 25. So once again 5, that is the 1, and it is 5 into 5 into 5. So here is 3 to the power 3 and 5 to the power 3. So you can say 3 upon 5 and whole power is 3. That is your answer. Now come to this one. Multiply the given expression in it to each other. So how can multiply? You can see here. First of all, apply the distribution law. 2x multiplied to 3x plus 2 and plus 7. It is further multiplied to 3x plus 2. So once again multiply to this one. So 2x into 3x, and this 2x multiplied to this plus 2x into 2, and further 7 to 3x, 7 into 3x, and plus 7 into 2. Now 2 3 ja 6 and x square plus 2 2 ja 4 and 1x, and here is 7 3 ja 21 of x, and here is 7 2 ja 14. Now 6x square plus 21 and 4, that is the 25 of x, and plus 14, and that is your answer. Now come to the question number 8. Find the value of. So you can say it is 1 8 x square and y square and divided by minus 6x and y. So here is 6 3 ja 18. So it becomes minus 3 into x, and here is y into y, and here is only x into y. So one y will be cancelled out and one x will cancel out. So we get minus 3xy as your answer. Now come to the question number 9. Find the mode of the given data. So it is the 9, here is the comma, it is comma. So the number is 1 3 5. So you can write here 1 3 5 7 and 9, and here is, this is the number x, and here is frequency tally chin tally. So and here is frequency. So you can write here tally 1 is only 1 times. Here is 7 becomes here 1 line, and here is the 5, so 5 in 5 1 line, and here is 9 you can write here 1 line, and once again 9, so 2 line, once again 3 is here 1 line, and 1 in 1 line, and here is 9, so 9 becomes 3, and the 7 is here, and 5 is here, and 3 is here. So now frequency is 1. So this frequency is 1, and this frequency is only 2, and this frequency has only 2, and this frequency is also 2, and this has 3 vacancy, and that the maximum frequency is 3. That means which number is comes maximum time. So 1 2 3. First 5 natural odd number. That is the 1 3 5 7 and 9. Find the mean. Mean is equal to sum of the number. Sum of the number, that is the 1 plus 3 plus 5 plus 7 plus 9, and divided by how many numbers? 1 2 3 4 5. So you can write here 5. So all adding this one, it is 25, and here is 5. So 5 5 ja 25. So your answer is 5. So you can write the answer. So question number 4. That is the short answer, and the 2 into 5, the 5 question, then it is the 10 marks. Now find out the smallest number which when multiplied by 256 will make the product as a perfect cube. So let us start by prime factor. Now 256. First of all, do the prime factor. 256 divided by 2. 2 1 ja 2, 2 2 ja 4 and 2 8 ja 16. Once again 2, 2 6 ja 12 and 2 4 ja 8. Once again by 2, 2 32 ja. So once again by 2 it is 16. So once again 2, 2 8 ja and once again 2, 2 4 ja and once again 2, 2 2 ja and once again 2, that is the 1. How many 2's? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So you have to write here 2 into 2 into 2 into 2 into 2 into 2. How many 2? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 and 2 into 2, it becomes 8. Now find the perfect cube. How can find the perfect cube? So you can make here how many pairs? Cube root of 256. So what will be happen? It is cube root of 2 into 2 into 2. So here is one pair. So once again 2 into 2 into 2, it is 6. But there is no pairs 2 into 2. Okay. Now multiply by 2 in both the. So cube root of 256 into 2. So we can multiply inside this one. It is 2 into 2 into 2. It is the first pair. So into 2 into 2 into 2, it is the second. And now come to the third. 2 into, it is the third. It is 2 into 2 into 2. So it is multiplied by 2. So you can write here only 2. So this becomes 2 into 2 into 2, that is the 8. So your answer is, so the question is the find out the smallest number which when multiplied by this. So we can say here 256 when multiplying by 2, it becomes perfect cube. So that one is your answer. Find out the square root of this one. So first of all you can do the prime factor. So it is 10 24. So you can do first one. 2 5 ja 10, 2 1 ja 2 and 2 2 ja 4. Once again by 2, 2 2 ja 4 and 2 5 ja 10 and 2 6 ja 12. Once again by 2, 2 1 ja 2, 2 2 ja 4 and 2 8 ja 16. Once again by 2, 2 6 ja 12 and 2 4 ja. Once again by 2, 2 3 ja and 2 2 ja 4. Once again 2, it is 16. So once again 2, it is 8. Once again 2, it is 4. Once again 2, it becomes 2 and that one is the 1. So how many 2's? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So you have to write 2 into 2 into 2 into 2 into 2 into 2. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 and 10. Now find the square root. So you can put the square root of this line. It is the 10 24. So here is the square root of 10 times. So 2 into 2, one pair. 2 into 2, that is second pair. 2 into 2, it is fourth pair, and 2 into 2, it is the fifth pair. So you can write 1 1. So 2 into 2 into 2 into 2 into 2. How many? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So 1, 2, 3, 4. There is how many 2's? So 2 into 2. This one. You can count 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. And here is also 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So you can write 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 times. So multiply 2 to the 4, 4 to the 8, 8 to the 16 and 16 to the 32. So answer is 32. Question number 3, find the value of this. So let us see. First, apply the distribution law. So x square multiply to 3x minus 5y. Now plus y square is further multiplied to 3x minus 5y. So here 3 1 the 3. So 3x square into x minus it is x square into 5y and plus y square multiplied to 3x and minus y square multiplied to 5y. Let us see what will be happen. It is 3x cube minus it is 5x square y and plus it is 3xy square and minus 5y cube. So that is your answer. Now divide by this one. So how can divide? It is 2x to the power 4 minus 6x cube and plus 4x square. So it is divided by which one? By 2x square. So it is the x square times. Now multiply to this, if we get that is the 2x to the power 4. Now subtract this, we get cancel out. Now minus 6x cube, it is here. Now it is 2 3 ja minus 3 times and only x times. So we get minus 6x cube. Change the sign and cancel out. And here is 4x square. This one is here. Now it is 2 times plus 2 times. Multiply to this. So we get 4x square. And here is minus. So it will be cancel out. So that one is the 0. So our quotient is, so this one is the answer. So you can write here x square minus 3x plus 2 as an answer. To be that is the AB. So you have to write AB. Change their sign. A square will be cancel out. Now we get only AB. And here is B square. So you can put here plus B square. Now it is the B times only plus B. So multiply to this. So it is the AB. So you have to write and it is the B square. So you can write plus B square. Change their sign and it will be cancel out. So it becomes 0. So our answer is A plus B. This is your answer. In the given figure, O is the center. So that one is the O. It is the center of the circle. Whose diameter is PQ? PQ is the diameter. Find the measures of the angle. Find the measures of the angles PRO. So you can see it is the PRO. PRQ. So this angle is here. And angle QPR. So that one is the QPR, this angle. So let us start. First of all, this angle is 180 degree. You have to see here. This is the line and that line is taking the angle that is 180 degree. So you can write here in the semicircle all the angles are right angles. So first of all we can write the angle PRQ. PRQ is equal to half of the angle which one? POQ. But angle POQ will be equal to 180 degree. So you have to write here angle of PRQ is equal to 1 by 2 into 80 degree, 180 degree. So here 2 1 are 2 and 2 9 are 18 and here is 0. So angle of PRQ will be equal to 90 degrees. So that is your answer. Now find this angle. So both the sides are equal. What will be the probability of drawing a card of diamond from a pack of cards? So the total number of cards, you can write here the total number of cards. So that is 52 PE, and total number of happening or not happening events, that is the P is here, it is the N number of events, you can say it is the N. So you have to write here it is N, NS and NE. So you have to write here NE and NS, it is the total number. So NE, that is the 13 and it is the 52. So 13 1 ja and 13 4 ja. So we get 1 by 4. 1 by 4 is the probability. So that is your answer. Now come to the ninth question. A bag has 6 white. So you can write here white ball is equal to 6. 11 red ball, so the red ball is 11, and now 7 blue ball, so blue ball is 7. Now total ball, you can write here total ball, that is the 6 plus 11 plus 7, how much? It is 6 and 7, that is the 13, and 13 1 14, so it is the 24, and it is total is NS, so you can say it is your NS. Now the probability of the white ball, so white ball is, so you can see it is white ball is 6, so you have to write this is the NE, number of event which is happening, and that is the 6. So probability PE is equal to number of happening events and total number of happening or not happening events. So NE upon NS. NE is given as 6 and NS is 24. 6 1 ja 6 and 6 4 ja 21. So 1 upon 4 is our answer. Now come to the 10th question. The cost of 2 dozen orange is rupees 48. Find the cost of 108 orange. Now 2 dozen is equal to 2 into 12. So it is the 24 orange. You can write here orange and here cost in rupees. So first of all 20 orange, 24 orange and cost is 48 here, and the 108 orange, so you have to write 108 orange and the cost is x, so it will be putting downwards. If cost is increasing then the orange is also increasing, so it has direct variation. So let the x orange, let the cost be rupees x. So orange and cost are in direct variation, hence x upon 48 is equal to 108 upon 24. So x will be equal to 108 upon 24 into 48. So what will be happen? 24 2 ja. So here is 2 8 ja 16 and 2 1 ja 2. So that is the 216 rupees. So you have to write rupees 216. So that one is your answer. So long answer, it is the fifth question and it the carry 3 marks each and it is 5 questions. Now labor gets 806 for working 13 days. And how many days would we have worked in if he was paid rupees days? So this is also direct variation. So you have put the down arrow. So you can see here right here, let uh, the days be x. Now these are the direct variation, these are in direct variation. So what will be happen? It is x upon 13 is equal to 1798 upon 806. Now x is equal to 1798 divided by 806 and into 13. So what will be happen? You can write here. So it becomes 29 days. So that will be your answer. Now come to the second. Find out divided by, so it becomes 13. So once again by 13 it is one time. So you can write here, it is 2 into 2 into 2 into 13 into 13. So for the perfect cube there is the 3 pairs. So this one has no 3 pairs. So you can write here 1352 into 13. So you can write here 2 into 2 into 2 into 13 into 13 into 13. So you can find the cube root. So you can write here cube root, and also you can write here cube root. So what will be happen? It is 2 into 13. So it is 26. So our answer is 13. This one is the answer. So you can write here multiply by 13 to make multiplying by 13 to make perfect cube. So that will be your answer. Let us see third question. A group of boys bought 256 mangoes. It is 256 mangoes and distributed it among themselves. If each boys got the number of mangoes equal to the number of boys in a group. So according to question, x square is given as 256. So x will be equal to square root of 256. Now find the square root. First of all, do the prime factors. So 2 1 ja 2, 2 2 ja 4 and 2 8 ja 16. Once again by 2 it is 64. Once again by 2 it is 32. Once again by 2 it is 16. Once again by 2 it is 8. Once again by 2 it is 4. Once again by 2 it is 2. Once again by 2 it becomes 1. So how many 2's? 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8. So you have to write this one 8 times. 2 into 2 1 factor, 1 pair, 2 into 2 second pair, 2. Find the square root of the following up to the decimal place. And that is the 5. So you can write the square root. How can find the square root? So first of all you can say 5.00, once again 00 and once again 00. And now divide like this type. First of all 2 to the 4. So you can write 2 3 times. Now it becomes 4. So subtract this 1 and point is here. You can put the point, and double 0 is here, and 2 plus 2, that is the 4. Now let us see how many times. It is 2 times. It is 2 times. So here is 2. Once again 2. Now do the multiplication. 2 2 ja 4 and 2 4 ja 8. Now here add them. So 2 2 4 and here is 4. Now here is 6 and here is how much? It is 9. 9 minus 8, that is the 1, and put double zero. Now it is 3 times, so you have to write 3 here and also 3 here. And what will be happen? You can plus here, it is 6 and here is that is the 4 and it is also 4. So 3 3 ja 9 and 3 4 ja 12, 1 carry, and 3 4 ja 12 and 1 13. Now subtract this, 0 and 10 minus 9, that is 1, and here is 9. 9 minus 2, that is the 7, and here is 5. 5 minus 3, that is the 2. Now once again put double zero. Now come to the this one. It is 6 times, so you can write here 6. Now here 6 and multiply to this one. 6 6 ja 36. So 3 carries, 6 6 ja 36 and 3 39, and the cube root of this one. So you have to do the prime factor 9261. So here is 9261. Do the prime factor. So first upon account 9 to 11, 11 and 1 12. So you can divide by 3. So 3 3 ja 9 and here is 0 and here is 3 4 ja 3 7 ja 3 8 ja 24. 2 and 3 7 ja 21. So once again by 2 3 3 1 ja 3 and here is 0 and 3 1 ja 3 3 2 ja 6. There is 2 and 3 9 ja 27. Once again by 3. So 3 3 ja 9, 1 and 3 4 ja 12 and 3 3 ja 9. So what will be happen? Now it is the 7 times divided by 7. So 7 7 4 ja 28 and 7 6 ja 63. 7 9 ja. It is not 4 ja. It is 9 ja. 7 9 ja 63 and here is 7 7 7 ja 49. Once again 7. So it becomes 1. So the prime factor of this one 3 into 3 into 3 into 7. in triangle, you can say in triangle ABC, in triangle ABC, what will be happen? This one, the OM is parallel to CB. OM parallel to CB. That means AM upon BM is equal to AO upon OC. This one, AM upon BM is equal to AO upon OC. Now put the value. OA is given as 2.4 and OC is 3.6. Now put the value. It is 2.4 and it is 3.6. Now remove the decimal, and 6 ja and 6 4 ja 24, and 2 3 ja 6 and 2 2 ja 4. So it becomes 2 by 3. So that one is the answer. Now it is given as BO is given as how much? BO is given as 3 centimeter. Now find the OD. Let us see what will be happen. Now you can say in triangle which one? ABD, that is OM parallel to DA. So what will be happen? It is AM upon BM is equal to AM upon BM is equal to OD upon OB. So OD upon OB. It is given as 2 by 3. So you have to write 2 by 3, and OD is, we don't know OD. OB is given, that is the 3 centimeter. So you have to write to 3. So OD will be, and minus 1 by 2 into 1 by 4. So 2 will be cancelled out. So we get how much? It is 3x of square minus 2 cancel with 4, that is the 2. So it is the 1 by 2 of x, and plus it is 3 by 4 of x, and minus 1 by 8. So now you can add them. So what will be happen? It is 3x square. So it becomes minus 4 by 4 of x, 4 by 8, that is the 2 by 8. So it becomes, so it is 2 by 4 of x and plus 3 by 4 of x. And more soldiers arrive in the camp. Then how many days will the ration last? So let us see how can do this. So first of all, days, and the soldier, soldiers, and days have inverse variation. So you can put the arrow upward. So let us see here. So x upon 21 is equal to 105 divided by 147. So x will be equal to 105 upon 147 and multiply by 21. So 21 divided to 7 times. and 7 here, 7 1 just 7 and 7 5 just 35. So x will be equal to 15 days. So that one is your answer. Now first of all, draw a line segment that is the 7.5 centimeter. You can see here on the line segment that is the 7.5 centimeter, this one. Now uh, scale is turning bend like this. Parts. So first of all you can do the 3 equal parts like this. So that one is the first arc. Now put the second arc like this, and now third arc from this point, and now remove the roundel, and that one is the here like this. Now take the point here, this point, and take this distance and close this, and now make an arc here. Once again you can make from here, and that will be the equal angles. Now once again you can do from here, and this one is looking like this. Now remove your compass, and now join these lines from here, this one, and now from here, like this. Now measure the all the lines. So this is the divide into 3 parts. So you can write here the name of this one. So it is B, C, and it is the C part, and that one is the D. Now let us the measure how the distance. Now you can see each part is 2.5 centimeters. So you have to see here, that is the AC is equal to CD is equal to